In this video, we will see the best Fiverr jobs for beginners. Let's get started. Here I am on the Fiverr website. Fiverr is a multinational online marketplace for freelance services. Fiverr's platform connects freelancers to people or businesses looking to hire. On the top navigation bar, let's go to Graphics and Design. Here, you can see bundles of categories, and every category consists of subcategory. As a beginner, you can start your journey on Fiverr as a logo designer. You just need to have some basic knowledge of graphic editing, and you can easily generate a logo. Also, you can use online graphic websites like Canva and Freepik. You can offer services as a flyer designer, brochure, poster, catalog, and menu designer. Also image editor and presentation designer. You can use online tools to remove background, infographics, and resume design. If you have programming and development skills, you can create a business or e-commerce website, landing pages, or a blog website. You can choose any specific CMS tool, development language, and job category according to your expertise. Digital marketing is one of the most popular IT fields. You can start your career as an SEO expert. If you are using a social media platform, then you can easily do social media marketing. Guest posting is an easy and high-paid job that a beginner chooses to start freelancing. In video and animation, you can do video editing. As a beginner, you can start video editing from Filmora, Camtasia, and CapCut Pro. This software is very easy to use and user-friendly. You can generate a 30-second intro or outro video, logo animation, animation explainers like whiteboard animation, article to video, and many more. If you have writing skills, and you don't know where to use to earn, Fiverr is best for you. Because here you can write blogs and articles, you can write a book for your client, you can generate scripts, speech writing, and do research and summaries. You can do proofreading and editing, AI-generated content editing, book editing, writing advice, resume writing, cover letters, job descriptions, and so on. You can explore these categories one by one. You can sing a song or write for your client, voiceover in any language. In business, you can offer business plans, startup consulting, business consulting, start as a virtual assistant, project management, lead generation, call center and calling, and life coaching. In data, you can offer services as a data entry operator, data mining and scraping, and data typing as well. In photography, you can start as a photographer, product photography, food, lifestyle, and fashion. Some other easy-to-do jobs are AI content editing, AI music video, and AI spokesperson's video. Now, let me open a category like logo design. Here you can see logo designs in different styles, like minimalist, hand-drawn, vintage, cartoon 3D, lettering, and so on. Here are freelancers who are offering their services to buyers. Let's see how you can start on Fiverr. First of all, create a profile on Fiverr. And then you have to create a gig like this. First, you have to choose a category, and then a subcategory. Enter your service title. On the right side, you can see the pricing packages like Basic, Standard, and Premium. Add featured images or videos your service related. In the description, add your offers and explain the services that you will perform. Here is your pricing package comparison. Buyer ratings and reviews are here. And here are your other gigs. This is how you can start your freelance career as a beginner. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.